Hello everyone, today I'd like to introduce you to this stoneware set. The most striking aspect of this tableware set is design's white ears, and you can see the plates feature dense oval relief patterns. The overall layering is striking. It's made of stoneware, and you can feel it the moment you hold it in your hands. It's thinner and more durable than ordinary porcelain. The rice bowl size is 15.5 cm. The dessert plate is 21 cm, and the main dinner plate is 27 cm. The key process to achieve this effect is color glaze isolation printing. Simply put, an isolation coating is first printed on the base. Then a layer of glaze is applied to precisely render the pattern, and finally the tableware is fired. The result is vibrant color, a three-dimensional relief effect, and excellent wear resistance. This product is in stock, supports logo customization, offers flexible packaging options, and can be shipped by FCL or LCL.